Interstellar has to be one of the best sci-fi films of all time, and now fans have caught a tiny, heartbreaking detail in the film's soundtrack. This space flick is so much more than a heart-wrenching tale of searching for a new home for mankind. Remember the ticking noise on Miller's planet? It's not just background noise. Each tick happens every 1.25 seconds, represent whole day passing on Earth. While the crew spends minutes here, decades slip by back home. Miller's planet is near a black hole, experiencing time dilation, a phenomenon where time slows down under the influence of a strong gravitational field. It's wild to think the time difference between Cooper and his daughter was hidden in plain sight. Fans were utterly mind-blown when they realized this detail. So, gravity's pull affects the passage of time, making every moment on Miller's planet count. If you missed this, don't worry, you're not alone.